Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'll share a recipe of coffee milkshake with you. The ingredients I've taken is honey, I've taken some sugar, I've taken cocoa powder, coffee granules, ice cream, and I've taken milk. The measurements I'll write in the description bar for you guys. Since it's summers I've hit, and we need to drink something chilled, so I have made this amazing coffee milkshake. You need to dissolve the coffee granules before you put everything in your blender. Okay, I have dissolved everything, and I'm using sugar. We're going to be blending all of this together. Guys, this delicious coffee milkshake is absolutely ready. You can see the ice cream, and I've drizzled it with some maple syrup and cocoa powder. It's so delicious, guys. Give it a try. See the entire ingredient in my description bar. I have just used few ingredients for this amazing coffee milkshake. Give it a try this summer, guys.